Dear students, in this module we will discuss expanded form, scientific notation and usual form. To find expanded form of 2346, we know that 2 is at 1000 position. So can be written as 2 into 1000 or 2 into 10 raised to power 3. 3 is at 100 position. So can be written as 3 into 10 raised to power 2. 4 is at 10th position, so can be written as 4 into 10 raised to power 1. And 6 is at 1's position, so it will be written as 6 into 10 raised to power 0. Then add all of them. And to find expanded form of decimal number 425.368, 4 is at 100 position, so can be written as 4 into 10 raised to power 2. 2 is at 10th position, so will be written as 2 into 10 raised to power 1. 5 is at 1's position, so will be written as 5 into 10 raised to power 0. Now 3 is at 10th position, means here we have negative power of 10, means 3 into 10 raised to power minus 1, plus 6 into 10 raised to power minus 2, plus 8 into 10 raised to power minus 3. So this is the expanded form for the decimal numbers. And now we will discuss scientific notation, means standard form. A number which can be written as a product of a number between 0 to 10 and a power of 10, then that is called scientific notation, means standard form. Now to write a number in scientific notations, here are some rules. If a decimal is moved to the left, then 10 will be with a positive exponent. If a decimal is moved to the right, then 10 with a negative exponent. And if the decimal is moved until we get a number between 1 and 10 and a power of 10. To find standard form of the distance between Earth and Moon, which is 400 million meter. So convert this in standard form. The decimal is shifted in left direction 8 places, means it becomes 4.0 into 10 raised to power 8. And according to the rule, if the decimal is moved in left direction, power will be positive. And now let us take one more example in which we are finding distance between silicon atoms in a silicon crystal, and we are to convert this in standard form. So now we can see here that decimal is moved in right direction and 10 places. Because the decimal is moving in right direction, so the power will be negative. So the answer will become 2.35 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. And now we will discuss how to write numbers in usual form. Here the rules are just opposite of the rules which are used to write in standard form. Like if 10 is with positive exponent, then decimal is moved to the right. And if 10 is with negative exponent, then decimal is moved to the left. And to write the number in usual form, let us take the same example. Distance between Earth and Moon, now that is given in standard form, means 4 into 10 raised to power 8. And we can see that power is positive, so write 8 zeros in right side of 4. Means decimal will be shifted in right direction and 8 places. So 400 millions is meter is the usual form. And now let us take one more example. Distance between silicon atoms in a silicon crystal again. Standard form is 2.35 into 10 raised to power minus 10, and we can see that power is negative. So move decimal in left direction and 10 places and you will get the usual form.